Hello YouTube. Last time I taught you how to make a program that generates the lyrics to 99 Bottles of Beer on the Wall. Now I am going to teach you how computers handle numbers. It is very important to know this because computers can only handle numbers. All things have to be translated into numbers for the computer to understand them. For instance, when I save a text file, like hello, all the characters are being transformed into numbers. These numbers can be read and translated into images by a program. Now you all know how to count, right? You just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then if you want to keep counting, you need to add another digit to get 1, 0. Or 10. Well, computers count in a number system that has a base of 1. So you go 0, 1, and then you need another digit in order to keep counting, or as it's called in binary, a bit. That's what this is called, binary. Everything in the computer is done in binary. Sometimes you'll see an abbreviation of binary called hexadecimal, which has a base of 15. Hexadecimal numbers usually start with 0x and it goes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F. You see? Each digit in hexadecimal takes up 4 bits. Now I'm going to tell you about variables. In C, there are a few variable types that come with it. They're int, float, double, and character. Now, ints are integers. They can be They are whole numbers that can be positive or negative, and then there are floats, which are floating point decimal numbers. There are numbers that have a decimal value that can be to any degree of accuracy. Then there are doubles, or double precision floating point decimal values, which they're like an upgrade from the float. They have They have two numbers. There's the whole number, and then they have the decimal number. And then there are characters, which they take up exactly 8 bits, which is also called a byte, and they cannot be subtracted or added, or anything like that. They're just there to store a character. Now, whenever you do a mathematical operation in C, for example, C equals A plus B, if C is an integer, and A is a floating point value, and B is a double, then that's not going to work, because they all need to be of the same data type, as it's called, the same type of variable. So, for example, you'd have to convert them both just to an int. So A plus int B, that's how you do it. You put the data type, and then in parentheses next to it you put whatever variables it is that you want to convert. Or you can put in a math problem into it that you want to convert. And it'll take the answer and convert that to an int. You see? If you want to convert everything on the line to the same data type, then you would do, you see, you put it in parentheses the data type that you will convert it all to. And that's exactly how you do mathematics in C. And also, as soon as you're done with the operation on the next line, it's all converted back to the data type it was. So that's how you do mathematics in C, and I'll be sure to put up another tutorial when I get around to it.